Hello fams, you're welcome back to my channel. How are you all doing? I hope you're doing great. So welcome back to my channel. Today we want to make lentils, but this time around I'm about to go to work. I would like to soak it. You can as well not to soak it, but because of my schedule during the weekdays, I don't have time to allow it to cook for some time. So I will soak it, so when I come back from work, it will be easier for me to cook very fast. And meanwhile, the benefit of these lentils is more important thing that makes me to make this video. It's very good if you're diabetic. It helps to cut down blood sugar. It helps also to balance your blood sugar. And if you want to lose weight, this is the best thing to eat. And for children, for adults, it helps to give you strength. A lot of things. If you're having anemia, it helps to help your blood. So this is it. We have it in many colors, but this is the colors I'm going to use. Maybe next time I'm going to show you another color of it. It's very good, and we have many sizes, and this we have big size and small size. This is a big size, okay? This big size, and they have small size also. I don't have the small size at home now. This is what I have now. So what I do now is that I'm going to soak it. When I come back, I start cooking it. It doesn't take time to cook, and it doesn't need a lot of ingredients. In fact, the lesser the ingredients, the good, it to make it to work very well in your body system. So remember, if you want to get more knowledge of these lentils, go to your Google and it will tell you everything I am saying now, even more than. So it helps in heart health. If you're having heart disease, it helps to put it in order and balance it. Blood sugar, blood clotting, a lot of things. If you lose blood, you can use this to regain your blood back. So this is it, very good. And you can also eat it every day, but in my family we make sure that once in a week we do take it and cook it. So now I'm going to soak it. When I come back, then I'll start cooking it. Okay, I soak it. When I come back, I'll wash it and I'll start cooking it. See you then. Okay guys, I want to buy one or two things from this shop, and one of them is the thing we are going to use for the lentils. Okay, and that is this bread. This. So I'm done buying the bread. Let me get some meat that we'll use for the food. Okay. Bonjour. So I'm going to get they call it a polo. Farms, I'm back. Remember, we bought these. So let me show you some of the things I bought. There's juice, and some tomatoes. I'm not going to show you their names because they're not paying me. So tomatoes, that is it. Then remember I told you I went to this place to buy meat. Let me take it the other side. Okay, so I got some meat. Let me see. Meat. This is sausage. Don't worry, I will look for what they call it in English. For now, it's not coming. It's not coming. So this is petto di pollo, and yeah, this one is chicken breast. Yeah. So as time goes on, we'll be able to see what to use it for. And this is what we are eating tonight. This is a cachofi. Wait, the name in English, I don't know where it has gone on. Don't worry, if I remember it, I'll write it down, or later when I'll be cooking it. and it's not going to be on one video. I'll do it on a separate video. Okay, I want to show you how to make this. I've done it in this channel, but I'm going to do it in another way. Okay, this is going to be our dinner. So let's go to kitchen. Do we remember our lentil? All the water I put inside, you see, even rice, look at it, all the water dry up. Yeah, so now I'm going to wash it and we'll start cooking. We are about to start cooking. So there are many ways. I think there are two ways you can cook these lentils, you understand. So it's either you fry the tomatoes a little bit, then you pour the lentils, or when you're cooking along the line, when you're cooking the lentils, you now pour the tomatoes without frying. So I want to do the ones that my children normally love to eat. They love it. So here is olive oil. Here's olive oil. So you put the oil according to the quantity of the food you are making. So I won't allow it to get too much hot. So another ingredient is garlic. So we allow it to at least get some hot. So at the moment we add our pomodoro, tomatoes, okay. So many Italians don't use tomatoes because the lentils normally, when after cooking it, it looks somehow, you wouldn't like the face if not eaten it before. Yeah, if you look at the face of it, you would not like it. Oh, so it's brownish in color. So even if you add tomatoes anyway, sometimes it changes the color a little bit. So but me, since I started eating it, I use tomatoes. Okay, so here is it, the tomatoes you're going to use for this. Then into these tomatoes I have a black pepper. Lower your heat. Okay, lower the heat of the stove. We have black pepper. Then we have salt. Anyway, as time goes on, you test it to see if it's okay. So I have a oregano. Oregano. I think in English is oregano. Oregano. Then start stirring. Remember, don't fry. You don't have to over fry it. So here is it. With another key ingredient we have here is a sedano. Okay, celery. Please, you people should not kill me. In my house, some like the taste, some don't like the taste. So what I normally do, I will put it like this after washing it. So as the food and the meal is getting done, I will remove it. Already, all the ingredients from it have already infused inside. Yeah, you know, this said that this celery is good for teeth and for bone. So that is why it's good that we put it in our meal. So this lentil doesn't need so much ingredients. Yeah, the lesser the ingredients, the better the meal taste. So we want to have the actual taste of the food. So here is it. I'll have to allow it to at least fry for some minutes, maybe 2 to 3 minutes. Okay, then remember, this is our lentil already washed. This is the lentil. So the next thing to do is to pour hot water. Hot water. Yeah, that's it. This is the hot water. Then we cover to cook. So let's prepare the second meal we are going to take with this. So let's go. This is another second food we are going to take with the lentils. So let's marinate it. Chicken breast. This is pepper nero. Okay. I like this paprika also to give it some color. Then we have pinch of salt, not too much. Then we marinate. Okay. So I'll leave it for some time. When the lentils is getting ready, we now do that so that it will not get cold. We want to eat it hot. Okay, so let's go and check our lentils. It has been cooking for almost 20 minutes, more than 20 minutes. Yeah, let's go and check it. So here we come. This is our lentil. Woo! This is our lentil. Remember, you have to make it watery because we have to add pasta. Me, I don't like it with pasta because I don't like too much carbohydrates. So these children, they like it with pasta and still eat panini. Imagine the children. So now this is the celery. This is a time to remove it. Take it out. Okay. Here is the leaf. The leaf is nothing. You can see the leaf is not much. So here is it. So this is the pasta we're going to use. They call it pasta mister. I will cook it on another pot, then pour it into the lentil. But before then, I have to take out my lentil. So let's check if there is salt. Okay, everything is okay. Everything is okay. So, as this one on fire, on a low heat, then let's make the chicken breast. Okay. So let's cover it again on a low heat. Let's prepare for the chicken breast because this is getting ready. So here is the frying pan we are using for the chicken breast. So we have our olive oil. Then we have the garlic. Have the garlic. So chicken breast, not only that is the, look at it here, not only that is white meat, it helps also to build your muscle. If you are going to gym and you want to build your muscle, yeah, it helps. It helps. I remember our coach telling us what we'll be eating to build our muscles. This is one of it. This is the first batch. I'm going to do the second batch. Okay. The first batch is done. So let me put it in the plate. So I'm going to do the second batch off camera. I'm going to do the second batch now. So this is the pasta we're going to use for those that are going to use the pasta. Then it's done. I'm going to add it to the lentils. Okay, I'm going to remove all of them eating with pasta. Look at it here. So let's serve. The end product of our lentil. So I'm going to take with the panini. You can see it here, panini. And I've showed you previously, some are going to eat with the pasta cook. So here is it. And our lentil. See you next time on my next video. Please, if you love this video, give it a thumbs up and share challenges. God bless you. Bye.